Hi, my name is Rachel Davison. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, Heidi, Anna, and Emily are going to show us how to make dark chocolate cherry scones. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull the stem out of the cherry. Put the stem in the bowl, and now put the cherry in the hole in the cherry pitter. Right there. This is a really simple cherry pitter that we sell in our market. There's a few different kinds. I like the simplicity of this one, and it's also compact and easy to store. Good job. For this recipe, we need 1 cup of cherries. So we're gonna pit them, and we're also gonna cut them in half. What a shot. So here we've got 1 cup of cherries that are pitted and sliced in half. We're going to set them aside and we're going to get out our scones. We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees and then we're going to make our dough. Put in 2 cups of flour, half a cup of white sugar into our flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder into our dry ingredients. Good. Give a little bottom a little tap. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Good. Good. Awesome. So we're going to put half a cup of butter in and we're going to cut it in with a fork. So we're going to cut the butter in until it's about the size of a pea or smaller. Now this is optional, but I like to just go in with my hands yet and make sure that it's all the right size. So if you don't prefer to get your hands dirty, that's fine too. But so we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk and we're going to whisk 1 egg into it before we add it to our dry ingredients. Very good. And then we're going to let Anna dump that egg into the milk. Good. You want to make sure that you have your chocolate and your cherries ready because you're going to add them all quite quickly once it's in there. And we have 3/4 of a cup of dark chocolate that's roughly chopped. You can see how there's all kinds of different sizes in there just for fun. Good job. I'm going to mix it up just a few strokes so that it's starting to be mixed up. And the cherries. Look at that. We're going to fold it around until all the dry ingredients are gone. And if you mix it too hard, your batter is going to turn pink because of the cherries. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons to do this because it's nice to have nice large scones. Put a little bit of coarse sugar on the top of each scone. Okay, now back up because it's very hot. We're going to put the scones in the oven. Heidi, close it up. And I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes have gone by, and let's check on our scones. I see that they're nicely browned on top. The cherries are juicy. They look absolutely perfect. Now a little trick so that the bottom of the scones don't get soggy is we're just going to pull the parchment paper right off of our baking sheet and ta-da. Then they can breathe a little bit better. When they're a little bit cooler, I'll pop them off of the paper as well, but they can cool there for now. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.